everyone, my name is Sima Marsha Widianti and I'm from class 12 too. Now I want to tell you a nice story about bawang merah and bawang putih. Bawang merah and bawang putih. Once upon a time, three lived a beautiful girl named Bawang Putih. She lived with her stepmother and stepsister. Bawang merah because her father married again. Bawang putih and her stepsister bawang merah have different personalities. Bawang putih is a child who is diligent, kind, honest, and humble. While bawang merah is so evil and cunning. Just like her stepmother, one day her stepmother shouted at bawang putih. Bawang putih, sit down from now on. You have to clean the house, wash all your clothes, and cook for yourself. Bawang putih tried to be patient, but sometimes she would cry at night asking God for help. Oh God, please help me. Why are they always so evil to me? And the next morning, while washing bawang merah's red dress, the dress was swept away by the river current. Bawang putih was very worried. Bawang putih walked along the riverbank, but she still couldn't find the dress. After a long walk, she met an old woman. The old woman sighed. She found the dress and would threaten it if bawang putih helped feed her. The old woman asked bawang putih to help her with all the tasks around the house. Bawang putih agreed kindly and worked hard without complaining. After finishing everything, the old woman gave her 2 pumpkins. Choose one, said the old woman. Bawang putih picked the small one. Remember, don't open the pumpkin until you get home. The old woman sighed. Bawang putih reported to her stepmother and bawang merah were angry. They told her to cut the pumpkin and cook it because they were hungry. So when bawang putih opened the pumpkin, she was very surprised. It was full of jewels and diamonds. Her stepmother and bawang merah were shocked. What is this? Where did you get all of this? They asked bawang putih and told them everything that happened. And the next day, bawang merah and her mother had an idea. They wanted to do some things as bawang putih did, but only because they were greedy and jealous. So they threw their own dress into the river and followed the river, hoping to find the old woman. And they met her. The old woman said she would threaten to the dress if they helped her with the chores just like bawang putih did. They agreed, thus they worked while complaining and showing unhappy face. They didn't do it sincerely, only for the reward. After finishing with the old woman gave them 2 pumpkins. Choose one, said the old woman. Bawang merah chose a big pumpkin. Remember, don't open the pumpkin until you get home. The old woman reminded, but they didn't listen. On the way home, They ignored the warning, and instead of jewels, it was full of sneakers. They screamed and she called help then they did from panic and shame. Meanwhile, Bawang Putih lived peacefully, and that's the end of the story. And now you are going about the moral of story. Bawang merah and bawang putih. Moral of story bawang merah and bawang putih teaches us that kindness and patience will brings happiness, while greed will bring suffering. Thank you for your listening for my story.